So you open this guy up. This will stay open. You can open this guy up and get him to stay open. And of course, what do you suppose this very dark organ is right here? Liver, of course. And you should be able to find on it somewhere. There it is. Okay, now you notice I don't always find it in exactly the same place. The sac looks like a little piece of plastic encased in the liver. That's the gallbladder. Okay, all right, so I've got the liver and the gallbladder. Now in this guy, when you open this up, remember this has fish-like circulation. So what you're going to find is that you have weird tissue that I don't know what it is. Oh, it's clotted blood. Okay, that's good. And more clotted blood. Yeah, okay. So I'm pulling out clotted blood here. Okay, so now what I can see is that I have, after I get the blood all out of here, okay, I have the atria here feeding into the ventricle, which is this light-colored structure that's right here. All this blood here is going away. When that all goes away, it's clear that it's feeding into a vessel that goes right here. This vessel branches and goes into the gills and then comes back out of the gills to become the dorsal aorta. There's part of it right there. Okay? Now, the other thing that's important is, remember, this is an adult salamander, and so he has lungs.
So they have both. So they have two different, like pleural veins and arteries.
They have a special set of veins and arteries that go to this guy. So this is one lung right here.
That's a little nothing thing.
Yeah, that little nothing thing.
Well, it's collapsed, right? If it was bigger, it would be about the size of a pencil, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Now, I should have another one. I think this is it right here. Yeah, I believe this is it.
And so they use the two simultaneously?
Uh-huh.
Cool.
I think this is the other one right here. Yeah, this is it, I think. Yeah, okay. And there's the other one. So here's one lung, there's the other lung. Okay. Now I have dorsal aorta running along back here. Okay. I have esophagus coming along here, going into stomach, which is right here. Okay. I have spleen here, liver here. I have pancreatic tissue here. Okay, this glandular tissue here, coming into intestine here, small intestine leading all the way down here, right, leading down to come out the vent over there. All right. What I have is kidneys, one here and one here. The kidneys in this animal are not retroperitoneal. So this is the one animal in your group that you look at. They're not pressed against the back wall. Okay. There's just a pair of them on each side. Okay. Now, you also have a Mullerian duct right here, which is this guy right here, coming down into, on this guy, gonadal tissue. So I'm properly calling him a guy, I think. Okay, I think. Although I'm pretty sure this is gonadal tissue here, right here. That's the, this is the gonad. I'm pretty sure that's testes. And then it comes down into the vent from that guy there. Okay? So this is the Mullerian duct right here, all that stuff that's right there.
What's that do?
It's the gonads. The Mullerian duct is either going to be in females is going to produce eggs, in males it's going to be connected to the testes to produce sperm. Okay?
This is like the vast difference, kind of?
Yeah, it looks like a vast difference, yeah. Okay? Let me see. I think that's everything on the salamander. Except you do need to go through and very carefully look at these vessels, okay? So you'll notice you've got branches coming off. You just have to play here very, very gently, okay? So here's the hepatic artery right here coming over. Obviously, it comes off the dorsal aorta and feeds and feeds partially into the liver. Okay, so you can see that guy. This is this one right here. Now this is what I mean about where things come off. You can see that you just have to sit here and play. Okay, there's a branch coming off the dorsal aorta. It's coming out and it's feeding the stomach. Okay, so that artery is the artery feeding the stomach. It's the celiac artery. Okay, so you're going to trace these guys. All right, so that's what you want to do. You want to find the specific vessels. Don't rip him apart too much until the first thing to look for is the vessels. Don't rip him apart too much until you find the vessels. Okay, then you can pull more and look for other stuff. All right. Okay, and then respiratory structures you want, and lastly, today you're doing vessels and gut. Okay, UG is next time, so you're going to do the Mullerian duct and that stuff on the next pass. All right. So next time we will